So a real nice, easy one is this. Just wanted to quickly show you the difference between a smart filter and a rasterized object. So this particular image here, I've got it open, and you can see over here it's a rasterized object. Now, the difference in a rasterized object and a smart object, if I right-click on here and convert it to a smart object, you'll see this little white kind of like a paperfold icon down the bottom corner here. That basically tells you it's a smart object. The opposite of a smart object will be to go back in here and rasterize the layer, which basically means it's a pixel-based layer. Now, with a standard pixel-based layer, if I was to go in here and apply something from the filter menu here, so for example, if I went in there and just applied whatever my last settings were on the filter gallery and did that, I've applied the filters to the image. But over on the right-hand side here, you'll notice it's a completely destructive change. I can't undo that. I can't reverse it. I can temporarily because I can go into history here and reverse it from there. But other than that, once I've saved the image, I'm a little bit stuck with it and I've no way of undoing it. So let's just jump back in here a second and go back to where we were before. So we're back in here. And this time I want to right-click here and convert to Smart Object. And here's where the difference comes in. If I was to go to that filter menu and apply the same filter gallery changes here, apply those in there again, click OK. I've applied the changes, but the difference this time is I now have that as a smart object, or a smart filter in this case, because it's based on a smart object. With a smart filter, I can go in there, I can turn it off if I want to, turn it back on again. I have a pre-built mask in here, so I could actually go in there and work on the mask if I wanted to and apply shades of grey or black to that to affect the mask. And if I want to, I can also turn it up and down by double-clicking here and going into this setting for the actual opacity and the blend mode. So I could go in there, for example, and reduce the opacity on that and give it a degree of that effect or less. And that's all based on the fact that it's a smart object that I'm playing with. So it gives me a lot more flexibility. If I don't like it and I want to undo it, just go on there and drag it down, to the bin here and delete it. So nice and easy to work with and far, far more flexible, a really nice non-destructive way of editing. So give those a go if you haven't used smart objects before. I definitely recommend them.